Hello and welcome to David and the Drone. Due to the lack of parking outside the Falls of Cruachan train station, join me at Lochaw on the 1.5 km walk towards the start of my ascent to Ben Cruachan.
We've just got to follow this road up, then we'll take the left hand side of the loch. So we've reached up to the loch, now standing on the dam. A couple of ways we can go here. So we can go directly up and do the height, or we can follow down and then go up the gap there. So the weather today is really good. It was forecast to be all clear this morning, a little bit cloudy this afternoon, and it's good. The clouds are certainly above the Munros, so we're going to get those views when we're up top. Making our way up to Ben Cruachan just now. Decided to take the lower path. The other one's quite intimidating when you look at it. Yeah, there's not much of a path, so we'll just stay safe. I'm on my own today. So we've reached to the end of the loch here. Now we're going to look at cutting up left towards Ben Cruachan. So nice little rest there, get our breath back, and the climb starts now. So next one will be somewhere up Ben Cruachan. I'll see you there. So we're now almost at the low point in between the Munro top and the final ascent up to Ben Cruachan. That's what the path looks like. A bit boggy in parts, but flattens off at this point just to give you the legs a little bit of a rest, refresh you for the final climb. But a good path so far, enjoying it. Roughly about 2 hours in. So this may reach the low point between the Munro top and up to Cruachan. Still a bit of height to go, 100 or so metres. And Ben Cruachan's roughly about 1140, I think. Yeah, this is final ascent for sure. Views up to the other side now. Looking forward to those at the top. Yeah, next one is going to be the summit of Ben Cruachan. See you there.
The final ascent to Ben Cruachan's summit does involve a bit of a scramble over the loose rock. I'd highly advise the use of walking boots with good ankle support over this part and beyond. The summit of Ben Cruachan, Conic Hill, stands at 1126 metres. It offers amazing views to the west to Ben More on the Isle of Mull, looking north to the Nevis Range, and then panning to the east we can see the Ben Lors Range, Cranlarrick Hills, Tindrum Hills, the Arrochar Alps, and even the Isle of Arran to the south. So I'm now making my way
down from Ben Cruachan summit. Slight scramble to get onto the kind of warm path. Making our way to Stob Daimh, which I think is just over 1.5 kilometres away. I can see it, and there's a lovely ridge in between. An update on where we are. We've just came down from the Munro top in between the two Munros. It's a bit of a scramble there, so be prepared for it. If you're doing the opposite anti-clockwise way, then this is the site that you're going to see, and then Ben Cruachan when you get to the top. Quite intimidating. Yeah, we're swinging around, loch looking absolutely stunning, and there's our next Munro. And we're about to make final ascent onto Stob Daimh. Again, I think it looks fine. We'll just zigzag our way up, and then take that lovely ridge back down, and then we'll end up just about here at the bottom of the loch. Okay, so next one, we'll see you at the top. Oh. There we go, guys. Summit, Stob Daimh. A mighty cairn.
The summit of Stob Daimh stands at 995 metres. It offers amazing views from the Nevis Range in the north all the way to the Isle of Arran in the south.
So this is on the summit of Stob Daimh. Views over to Ardrain, Ben Cruachan, Ben over to Ben Louis and Cashel. So looking over to Ben Lors, Ben McDouey right at the back. That's how clear it is today. And some closer ones, Ben Starov, Ben Nevis again right at the back. Some view. And right back over to Ben Cruachan. And Ben Moore and Mull right at the back, very faint. So we're making our way down from Stob Daimh, looking back over to it now. If we swing round we can see where we've been today, Cruachan. Right in front of me is Stob Garbh, which, although it is Munro height, isn't classed as a Munro because of its proximity to the others. So we'll Stob Garbh. Cracking views again. Not stopping, straight through. And then make our way down, and eventually we'll be heading back down towards the dam. That's me almost at the loch. All I've done is work my way down, and then you come to this river and just take a right, follow it down. There's a decent path all the way. So not far to go. We're going up the left hand side of the loch and back to the car.